Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to talk about the 4 best hikes near Atlanta, Georgia. Obviously everyone has different opinions, but these are mine and I've hiked most trails in the area, if not all of them. So Atlanta is roughly an hour and a half south of the Appalachian Mountains, but surprisingly it has very good hiking trails nearby that are so much better than just a standard nature walk. So without further ado, starting at number 1, Stone Mountain. Not only is this one of the best hikes near Atlanta, but it's also one of Georgia's 7 natural wonders and most visited attractions in the state. It's a large granite monolith, a massive, single, solid rock formation that rises dramatically from the surrounding landscape. It's about 825 feet tall and it has a very large, treeless summit. Stone Mountain is a geological wonder and one of the most recognizable landmarks in the state. The mountain's granite core is the result of millions of years of geological forces. About 300 million years ago, molten magma intruded into the Earth's crust, forming a vast body of granite deep underground. And now, it's one of the most unique hiking experiences in the state and arguably in the Southeast. Additionally, it has a great summit view with the Atlanta skyline in the background. Next up is East Palisades, and this hike leads to a very large bamboo forest on the Chattahoochee River. Depending on which routes you take, the East Palisades Trail can stretch, anywhere between 1 to 4.4 miles. So many different paths that you can take, with maps scattered throughout the trail so you know where you are. And as you continue along the trail, the landscape shifts dramatically, culminating in one of Atlanta's most magical natural features, a sprawling bamboo forest. This enchanting grove, with its towering bamboo swaying gently in the breeze, really does feel worlds away from the bustling Atlanta area. However, it's right next to it and I believe within the perimeter of Atlanta as well. Now, it's not every day that you can hike to a very large bamboo forest, which is why this is a very unique, fun trail. Also, you can jump along the rocks on the Chattahoochee River, which is very cool. Therefore, a must visit. But if you thought the previous 2 hiking trails were incredibly unique, which they were, then you'll also probably like this one as well, which is Arabia Mountain. Located just outside of Atlanta, it feels like you're stepping onto another planet. The mountain's smooth granite surface, rare plants, circular formations within the surface, and very unique landscape evoke a Martian or lunar vibe, especially when fog rolls in. That's why when we made a full video on this trail, I labeled it Mars on Earth. Arabia Mountain is a monadnock, rising sharply from the surrounding flatlands due to its hard granite rock. The barren, rocky terrain dotted with lichen wildflowers gives it a surreal, otherworldly feel. So with its distinctive geology and foggy atmosphere, when it's foggy, it really does feel like it's an alien escape from the city. And lastly, the Red Trail at Sweetwater Creek State Park. Here is another one of the best hiking trails near Atlanta since it leads to historic ruins. Along the Whitewater Rapids, it leads to ruins of the New Manchester Mill burned by the Union in the Civil War. Not only do the ruins look cool, but they haven't been revitalized since. So, pretty uniquely, you'll get to see them how they were since they were burned by the Civil War. But once you reach the mill, pictures and videos don't do it justice. It's vast. This is the largest Civil War era ruins of a mill that I've seen so far in the state. It has a total of 5 stories, and in places it appears that you could still see some of the burn marks. Overall, another great hiking trail near Atlanta. But speaking of ruins, if you want to see probably my very favorite hiking trail in Georgia, see that video here, Cumberland Island, an amazing hike, which also leads to ruins. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.